To start my album advert project, I opened Photoshop, then clicked File, New, then Print, A4, then Landscape. You can choose Portrait if you wish. I have my background already saved onto the desktop, so I just drag it in. To fill the entire space, I hold down Shift on the keyboard so that the image's proportion is not corrupted, and then I click and drag from the corners. Then I press Tick to set this image, and then I drag the artist image in, which is also saved to my desktop. Then I click the fourth tool down. The size of the tool is quite big at the moment, but I can adjust the size here. Then I click and drag over my artist to cut her out from the rest of the background image. So I want to drag this over her to select her, and this will cut her out of the background of the image that she is currently in. When done, I press Select and Mask. Some parts of the background, as you can see, have still come through. So to get rid of them, I use the second tool down. And then I go over the bits I don't want to keep. So Photoshop says, oh, okay, she doesn't want to have the white bits. As this is only an example and not my actual ancillary product, it may not be perfect. However, you get the idea of the process I went through using this technology to make my album advertisement. So as you can see, I'm going through all the white bits and just trying to get rid of them so that it looks professional. When done, I click OK. And then this brings my artist image onto the advert background. I click the first tool to drag the image around to where I want it and adjust the size if I wish. And that's how you edit in a background and image for the advert.